Hi guys. This is my second video where I explain how to get free money through a Play Store application, and I hope you like the video. I'll explain you how to get free money in 5 steps. The first thing to do is go to the Play Store and download Google Opinion Rewards. When you have installed the application, you need to log in with your Google account. Step 2: How to get free money. Getting money is very easy, but you have to be patient. All you have to do is wait for a survey to be done. Then you have to answer the survey and they will give you some money. Now I'll show you my overall earnings. I advise you to make more than one account as I did. And now I will show you the earnings with the second account and a survey, and then I will show you how to use the money obtained from the app. Third and fourth step. I will give you 2 examples on how I spend the money obtained from the app. As you can see, I managed to pay with Google Play successfully. As you can see, the balance is 2.14 euros. And now let's go to make the payment, and then I'll show you how the balance goes down. The payment was successful. Now let's check the balance of how much it fell from before. It was 2.14 euros. You can see the balance has dropped by 1 euro. Now I will show you the last payment to make. You believe that the gain is not fake. The payment was successful. You can see the balance has dropped by 1 euro. As you have just seen, the video is not a fake, but you can really earn money with Google Opinion Rewards. To download the app, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching the video, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.